guys, Paul Dexter here. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah. It's been a great holiday season. I hope it has been for you as well. It's been a little bit of a blur. My family's been racing around. We saw my wife's family in Michigan for a number of days, and then we're in Idaho now, visiting other friends and taking the kids up in the mountains. I think God paid special attention when he crafted this country here. This is truly God's country up here. Huge skies, huge mountains and trees, and big open spaces. It's a beautiful place. Well, it's been a great year at Jetbuilt. So many new faces, companies into the Jetbuilt family. All of us at Jetbuilt, we will continue to do everything we can to serve you the best we can, both in our support and as well as continuing developing out the Jetbuilt platform. On that note, there are a lot of new things in development. One thing is we're really close with the Android app for the project management workflow. So look for that in the next week or two. Another new feature we launched this week, a little one, but one that you guys have asked for a long time, and that is the ability to sort your pages and groups in the designer. And then inside of a project, when you go to make a report, that order will be preserved. So you'll be able to put your favorite go-to reports on the top of your list. So that's a convenience feature, but one that you guys have been asking for a while. So we made that one happen this week. And we've also spent a lot of time the last couple of weeks on the speed of rendering reports. You guys have, been patient with sometimes these long reports, projects with 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 line items. We've spent a lot of time working on that. We haven't launched the new code for that. We're doing a lot of testing because it touches a lot of things. But in the next few days, I believe another feature we're excited to launch here in the next couple of weeks is the ability to automate and then sell your maintenance packages, your support and maintenance packages, automating them based on criteria that you set, and then they'll kind of auto-populate within projects. And then you can choose to automatically propose those to your clients with your reports. So once again, from the big wide open spaces of Idaho, Happy New Year. We look forward to another terrific year with you guys in 2018. This is Paul Dexter.